Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Mazda bonnet. Now start by locating the interior release lever under the dash and pull it firmly until you hear the latch pop. Walk forward, feel for the secondary catch under the bonnet center, and push it sideways while gently lifting. Use the prop rod or hydraulic strut to hold the bonnet open safely before working on the engine bay. Begin at the front of the car and visually inspect the bonnet gap to find the secondary catch. Slide your fingers under the bonnet center, press the catch toward the passenger side, and lift a few inches to release the latch. If resistance remains, check for frozen latches or debris and spray a lubricant into the mechanism while keeping hands clear of pinch points before fully opening the bonnet. Stiff latches, misaligned hinges, or a stuck secondary catch are common problems and usually have simple fixes. Apply penetrating oil to sticky latches, gently tap hinges to free corrosion, and realign the bonnet with the adjustment bolts if gaps are uneven. If the release cable is stretched, carefully replace it or lubricate the sheath to restore smooth action. Always test the release twice after any repair to confirm safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.